Thank you for purchasing the BioGreen PALMA air circulation heater. Today I will get you familiar with the product and how to install it. Here is how it comes out of the box. On the back is the air intake opening. On the front is the air output opening. And on the top, we have the thermostat dial, selector switch, and operation lamp. There is also a handle to move and position the heater. Connected to the sides are the screws to position the heater to fit your application. This heater is specifically designed for use in greenhouses, but can be used in many other locations, like milk houses, storage rooms, or in a garage, to name a few. You may hang the device if desired. Please keep it off a damp floor. I recommend pavers or bricks underneath. It has a temperature dial for very basic holding and heating temperatures. If you want way more control over temperature, be sure to check out our Thermo 2 digital thermostat. This PALMA heater requires a grounded 120 volt AC power outlet. If using an extension cord or power strip, please ensure it is rated for at least 5,000 BTUs or 1,500 watts. If you only have a 2-prong outlet, use a 3-prong adapter that is screwed into the wall plate holder. Do not use a 3-prong adapter at the end of an extension cord. To use the heater, plug it into an outlet, extension cord, or power strip. Position the heater air intake at least 16 inches away from a wall and 20 inches away from plants or flammable material. The selector switch has 3 settings: off, fan only, and fan with heat. If you are using the heater in wintertime, turn the selector switch to the heat position. Check the room temperature using a thermometer at the height you want to maintain the temperature. Now turn the temperature dial on the PALMA heater clockwise all the way up. And once you have achieved your target temperature based on the reading from your thermometer, slowly turn the thermostat counterclockwise until you hear a click. The heater will now maintain the set temperature by restarting the heating function when the room temperature falls below this level. You can always make minor adjustments to the temperature now with the thermostat dial. The fan will remain running and will not turn off unless you turn the selector switch to off. The heating coils are different than a traditional space heater. They are made from steel and will not glow red like a space heater. This is normal. The heat output is made to be gradual so as not to harm or shock your plants and seedlings with high heat. For that reason, you will see a gradual increase in temperature. This is normal. How much it will rise depends on a lot of factors. How well your greenhouse is insulated. The better insulated, the more the temperature will rise. The ambient outside air. If you are below freezing and in a poorly insulated greenhouse, you might only be able to keep the temperature above freezing. And the overall dimensions of the greenhouse. To use the PALMA in the summertime, or if you just want constant air circulation, turn the selector to fan. There is no cooling feature. Please note, this device is not waterproof. Please do not submerge in water. Thank you for watching and enjoy your BioGreen PALMA circulation heater.